Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm Brandon. We are out on a ride today. We are finally. Oh, I forgot my backrest. I gotta flip up. We are finally going to see System of a Down today. Finally. This concert is supposed to have happened like 2 years ago. And it's happening. We gotta go to LA. That sucks. But it is what it is. Okay. Let's try this again. Ugh, man, I just want to get on the road. I'm frustrated. Not really. A little bit. Anxious, I think, would be more fitting. We're going to talk about what we got going on today. So this week I was going to make that video that I was talking about on my sobriety and release it on my sobriety date. But what I'm going to do instead is next week, when I hit my 3-year mark, I'll make the video then and I'll post it the following Monday, so be on the lookout for that. But I'm in a position today. Oh God, I'm out of breath. Why am I running? I'm in a position today where I can talk about what I've had going on. So I think I'll just come straight out and say it. The Gilstrap garage is likely, very likely, moving to Omaha, Nebraska. From one extreme to the other. I think I'm finally in a position where I've got a good job lined up. I just got pre-approved for a home loan today. We've virtually toured a couple houses that we really like. I've got a good friend out there who is willing to go look at houses for me and give me his opinion. The realtor I'm working with is awesome. But yeah, this is happening. This has been a lot of talk for a long time. Not really knowing where we're gonna go, but knowing we're gonna go somewhere. There's a lot of moving parts in this move. I just talked to my oldest daughter's mom about this happening. She understands why we want to go. I don't know how things are gonna work out exactly with that yet. My daughter wants to go. It'll be a really good thing for her, because bottom line, if the kids have to stay in California for the school year next year, without getting all political, if you think about it, you can figure out why. They're gonna have to be homeschooled, because I don't agree with what they're asking kids to do to be able to go to school next year here in California. So we're just making stuff happen. I haven't taken on any projects in the garage in about a month now. I'm getting caught up really fast on a lot of the projects that I have in front of me. Still got a few more that are lined up, and I've got about 2 months to do it all. That's about the time frame for the job that I was offered. So it's let me see, what do we talk about here next? There's going to be a lot of changes in my life. There's going to be a lot of changes with the business I've built up, the YouTube channel, all that stuff, because, well, one, I'm trying to sell my bike so I can help get out there. I'm trying to sell my bike so I can free up some money to get out there. That's why the bike is for sale. That's why the parts that I have stashed for my bike are for sale. Traffic. Of course, you know, I won't be without a bike for long. I'll buy another one. I don't plan on selling my wife's bike. But I'm going to have to restart my clientele basis. I'm going to have to buy up another set of tools for the garage, because my toolbox is going to have to go to work now. No more tools being provided for me for work. It's expected. I get to go back to being a real mechanic, not a parts changer. there's a lot, man. There's a lot into this. I flew out there this last week. I flew out last Monday, and I had a job interview Tuesday, and I flew back Wednesday. This may be a selfish move for all the family that's staying behind while we move out there, but I feel like I'm making the most selfless decision on getting my kids out of this, trying to find a better opportunity and a better life for them to live, buying a home, no more renting. So where we go next is it. Like, that's the spot that we're gonna be. There's no going back when we leave. Like, really, there's no chance of getting out there and not liking it, because we're, I mean, out of luck if we don't like it. We're gonna have to like it. We've got support out there. I've got work lined up. All I gotta do is find a house and find a truck that'll pull my stuff out there, and we're gonna be in good shape, man. I'm excited for it. So that's just a tidbit on what's happening in my life. I can finally talk about it. I've had this bottled up for a long time. Not really in a spot to talk about it, but things are happening, man. Things are happening. I had Club Style Midwest. He runs that Instagram page. He reached out to me, and I didn't know he's out of Omaha. He's out there. One of my really good friends is out there. I'm trying to take everyone with me, man. Everyone pack up, follow me out there. Let's go. Let's live a better life. You know what I mean? But anyway, we're headed down to my mom's house right now, where I'm going to pick up my wife, and we're going to go see my absolute favorite band in the world, and have one hell of a night. I called off work today. I'm losing out on money, but it's not going to stop me from having a good time. I'll see you guys down the hill. It is insane windy right now. Woo! Got me dancing. I always hated that it was an option to be able to turn left at this light right here in the right lane, because it slows down traffic so much. Why is it like rubbing up on you? I don't know. Look at it. Well, this is just chilling with a street cat. Ew, don't touch it. Cats are gross. Since when are street cats just friendly like that? You know what? I bet my mom wants it. You get out of here. I will send you to the moon.
Let's take it home. Let's go to the pool again. You'll appreciate it. You know what? We'll give it to Rick. See what he'll do with it. He'll probably try to make babies with it. I don't like it. It's making me uncomfortable.
No, that's my bag. That's my bag with all my warm clothes, so when you're freezing tonight.
I brought sweats.
Oh, my lunch bag. Will you put that in your car? In your truck? Is it unlocked? It doesn't. You packed me a burrito yesterday.
We're getting hair all over.
Put your helmet on. You take way too long to get ready. On today's episode of listening to Brandon breathe into a microphone. It drives me crazy editing these videos. It turns out I can't stand listening to other people breathe, and I also can't stand listening to myself breathe.
Did you turn this on for me?
Is your phone paired to it even?
Did you hit it?
I stepped on it. It's all under my foot.
Okay, it's on.
www.lexan-moto.com. Code Gilstrap15 at checkout saves you 15% on your order.
Okay, we're connected.
Oh, let's sync our music.
No.
Let's listen to the same stuff.
Let's not. When I listen to Morgan Wallen?
No. How are you going to listen to Morgan Wallen when you're going to a Korn and System of a Down concert?
I don't know who Corn is.
We're going to Nebraska. Plenty of it there. Boom.
Oh, Surcat.
Boom.
I'm gonna work it.
I honestly don't even know how much gas I have, so I'll go until we need gas. I don't want to get it right here because it's so expensive. I got scared. Yeah, I'm gonna need gas sooner than later. And I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to record. I need my phone charged more than I need my camera charged right now, so I don't know, it might have to be a little trade-off there on getting footage versus being able to have people get a hold of me. Hey, do you want to go get what you want and then just put like $20 on number 2? 25 on number 2?
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks, you're a doll. What you got?
Did you call it? It's a little windy in these parts.
Yeah, a little bit. Yo, so that was a super stressful ride. That LA traffic is just, it's wild. How's it going? I'm here for the concert. Is this event parking right here?
Yeah, we need a pass. You need to buy that online.
Pull up our tickets. Do they come with it?
No.
What? Is there another place to park? Is there another place to park?
From like the actual place right here? No.
Alright, so we're trying to get our parking right now. They want $130 to park at the front of the stadium. That's insane. There's other signs right here that say event parking this way. I want to see a taco truck over there. If we gotta walk back this way, we might be going to the taco truck. Okay, is it to the right? Is that parking over there?
Can I park back there on that street?
I don't know. I don't know where the parking is. To the right or to the left? $80? I guess that's what it is right here, right? Should I just go in there?
No, fuck no.
Where the fuck are we gonna park? How's it going, man?
Yeah. Shout out $80, okay?
Even for a Harley?
Yeah, even.
Yeah, how much? Where's the other parking at?
Straight out. Maybe it's $40, something like that. Yeah, they charge this a little bit. Straight down.
Straight down?
Straight down.
To straight ahead? Okay. Let's go, man. God, that was a stressful ass ride.
I hate LA.
Me too.
I regret signing up for the Super Bowl now. Because it's going to be even worse.
Yeah, it is.
And I'm going to be in a truck.
Yeah, you better get there early. Alright, let's go see System of a Down. Yo, we got some fat old dogs. We're gonna have to find someone selling masks too, apparently. Yeah, look at how delicious these are. This reminds me, okay, I was a kid and we went to see the King Tut Museum. My great grandparents took me. And when we were leaving, they were selling hot dogs like this. And I've always thought about it. I was just gonna get the regular hot dog. My grandma's like, it's 50 cents more for the works. So I got the works. And oh my God, I'm so excited to eat this right now. I'm gonna start with the chili because I won't be able to handle it after.
I've been craving a hot dog.
Oh, I got one for you. I have. How does it feel to actually be here? Good? You buzzing?
No.
I can hear it in your voice. You got your voice on.
Ew, no, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You do big time.
My voice?
You're mumbling. You got your little mumble. You got the treble turned down in your voice. And you want another drink.
I do want another drink.
You're gonna push it to the top.
I am. I'm trying to party. I ain't a bitch.
Okay.
I'm about to buy me a margarita.
Go get one. Go get two.
You want one?
No.
I don't want to.
So how does it feel to actually be here? After 2 years, we get to see this happen.
We're up close.
Yeah, you're gonna be on the floor too if you keep drinking. Look at this Barney. Barney. What the heck is even that? Are we playing Halo? Face tattoo.
What I would do for a raspberry right now.
Why don't you get a Michelada? You're already.
I told you at the morning, you said
No.
you're gonna be too.
And
You're gonna
when
be too drunk. You're
when
gonna
we
be too-
when we went up there and you went to the bathroom, I asked if you wanted one. You said
I
no.
didn't want one, but you're like, you don't need one.
It'll put you over the edge. You won't enjoy the show.
You're gonna be asleep.
Last time we saw System of a Down, what'd you do? You slept the whole time. You slept the whole time. Not my problem. Not my fault. That does not gonna stop me from having fun.
So that's why this time I'm trying to redeem myself. I'm trying to black out. Like, out.
What?
Is that like a saying?
No.
Oh, something like that. You're gonna use that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Kids watch this, okay? Probably not. Edit out all my sniffles too. It drives me crazy when I edit these things. Oh, put some in here. Corn. Good. I liked it. I've never seen him play before. That was good. I enjoyed it way more than you did. Your little bump on a log, sitting down, doing nothing, standing still. Oh, look at you! Oh my God. She calls me lame because I don't drink. Look at her.
You stopped. You cut me off like 6 hours ago.
Oh my God! You want another drink? Let's drink. Everybody needs to stay indoors. We are in a state of emergency here in California. We're heading out. Heading out all together, huh?
Yep.
To avoid the state of emergency. Because our kids have to wear masks in schools. Take shots to go to school. But we could just be out here licking and doing whatever we want to do. And it's okay. State of emergency. The state of emergency is what's going to happen when I get home in the comfort of my own restroom after eating one of the hot dogs earlier because it was delicious. Mix that with the Denny's nachos we're about to go chow down. Oh, you just want to go home? What? Whack. All right. All right, we're about to make some people mad. You don't want your water? Oh yeah, see, they know what's up. That show, well, let me get into that show a little bit. That was absolutely amazing. I've been to a lot of concerts. This is the second time that I've seen System play, and they just have like an essence throughout the stadium that, I don't know, it's like, it's unlike anything I've ever been a part of before. It's insane. This guy's got to be drunk, right? Something. How was the show last night?
It was fun.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. It's a crazy feeling seeing them play, like unlike any other concert, huh?
It was really cool.
Yep. It was worth the 2-year wait.
And the ride, worth the ride.
And the ride, getting out of there quick. A little cold, but I'd rather be cold and home than still sitting in that traffic right now the next day. All right, that's another Brannon Alley adventure. See you guys in a new one soon. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.